diving deep into how your phone, laptops, and computers stores everything you love, ranging from meme to movies. Using electricity, magnetism, and microscopic crystals. And the story, it began before smartphones, back in the 1800s. Every single thing your device stores, ranging from selfie to an entire movie, is broken down into small binary codes, just zeros and ones. Okay, so we get at the zeros and ones, but where are those stored? Like, I can't imagine myself just saying 0001111011111. Where are they actually stored? Because it seems humanly impossible. Now, how does a beautiful sunset photo become something your phone can remember? Take a photo on your phone, it just saves it, right? But how does your phone know where exactly to keep it? How is it stored? Even after a brief period of time, it is remembered. The first thing that happens is your camera sensor detects lights and turns it into digital values, and each pixels of a picture is equals to three main colors: the red, green, and blue value. These values are stored as binary, and they are reduced to file size like JPEG. I believe we all know what JPEG is.
So what's a JPEG file?
So a JPEG file
is basically a file that your computer creates
when it removes some parts of the images
in which your eyes cannot easily detect,
and so it keeps the image in easy quality.
But by doing that, it has become more
storage efficient. So
okay, but how does it actually store videos? Videos is a lot of images per second, like as you are moving, just like 2D. The best way you can understand a computer story is actually 2D animation. So video is just a lot of images per second with sound layered on top. 1 second of a video equals to a range of 24 to 60 frames. 60 frames is when it's moving fast, and that's how you see, that's the concept basically used in faster racing and camera capabilities basically. And each frame is a full image, just like the one you take. According to research, 108 pixel videos equals to 2 million pixels per frame, and sound is encoded separately using an MP3 or a AAC.
So how does a computer reach sound?
How is a computer able to store sound?
First we have the microphone. A microphone is a magnet with a coil inside that
converts sound into analog signals, which
is converted or transported along the
cable. It's an ADC. An ADC is an analog digital converter. The ADC stores, let's say for example, in CD quality, and it costs
4,100 hertz. That's 44,100
per second in a second of the sound base, and it records it in 16 bits. But it doesn't just
stores it in ones and zeros. It stores it in a sliding scale. What is known as a sliding scale?
Of 0 to 65,586
bits. Of 0 to 65,586.
This represents data
in binary.
And the computer does that in a second and converts this analog
to a binary signal.
At the end of it, it won't be the
same when played, because
it can never be the same. But the computer will try to convert that same
digital signal into an analog signal back.
Using a digital to analog computer
to an amplifier, and from an amplifier
to loudspeaker. But the ADC and the
AAC are all in the motherboard. So the same work we humans can do easily. It takes
time, and it takes a lot of system before the computer can perform that.
Humans have always wanted to store memories, and machines have come a long way. You look at that beautiful picture and can remember that same day, that same feeling you had that day. It brings you enjoyment, it brings you satisfaction. And what's most fascinating about this is not only you can feel that moment, machines and storage devices have enabled many people to be able to feel moments and different things together. Even though sometimes you can imagine them here, but machines that allow us to be able to feel that same thing that we feel. So, the story through the ages. In 1890, Porsche cards. US sensors stored on O's in paper. In 1956, we had the magnetic hard disk in the IBM 305. In 1971, we had floppy disk in 1980s you had CDs and DVDs, and in the 2000s we had USBs and SSDs. Now cloud storage, Google Drive, iCloud, etc. Cloud storage sounds magical. It's really just your data stored on a giant computer far away, sometimes in a cloud desert, sometimes underwater. So it's not actually stored on the cloud but the actual computer, and it is sent through servers and receivers. Let me explain. You upload a photo to your Google Drive. The photo is copied across multiple servers in different locations, stored on SSDs or hard drives, just like your phone, and it is accessed through the internet. But why does this matter? From trapped electrons to spinning disks, from binary digits to magnetic fields. Every time you save a picture, a song, a meme or a record, your device is actually doing something incredible. So the next time you take a photo, just remember, you're not just capturing the moment, you are writing it into science and history. Like and subscribe, comment stored in bits if you watch till the end, and watch the next video on how QR codes actually work and how they store so much info.